Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can use the subtotal feature to quickly outline and also apply totals and subtotals to organize data that lacks them. This can often happen if you open the exported results of a query from another relational database application in Excel. The subtotal feature lets you quickly apply subtotals and totals to organize data that is not defined as a table in Excel. You can also select from several different functions for the subtotals and totals you insert and outline within the data. To apply subtotals and outlining to organize data, click into the data to which to apply the subtotals. Then click the Subtotal button in the Outline button group on the Data tab in the ribbon. In the Subtotal dialog box that appears, use the At Each Change In dropdown to select the name of the field by which to create the subtotaled groupings. At each change in the value of this field, Excel inserts the subtotals. For this to be effective, the same values in this field must be adjacent to one another. Then use the Use Function dropdown to select the function to use for the subtotals. Then check the names of the fields within the Add Subtotal to field list to which to add the function's subtotal. These are the fields that will be totaled using the selected function for each change in the At Change In field. Optionally, to replace the current subtotals in the worksheet, check the Replace Current Subtotals checkbox. To place page breaks between the groups if desired, check the Page Break Between Groups checkbox. To show the summary below the data instead of above it, check the Summary Below Data checkbox. To then apply the subtotals, click the OK button to finish. Excel then outlines the data using the values within the At Each Change In field and inserts subtotals for each grouping. It also shows the summary of the subtotals at either the top or bottom of the data. You can manipulate the outlined data as normal. You can also click into an outlined section and then click either the Hide Detail or Show Detail buttons in the Outline button group on the Data tab of the ribbon to collapse or expand the detailed data within that section. To remove the subtotals and outlining, click into the data, and then click the Subtotal button in the Outline button group on the Data tab in the ribbon again. In the Subtotal dialog box, then click the Remove All button in the lower left corner to close it and remove all subtotals and outlining from the data.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.